Welcome back, everybody. I'm Michelle with the Beaded Jewel, and today I wanted to share with you my famous kit on YouTube and in my Etsy shop, my Rainbow Russian Spiral right here, made with all Preciosa crystals. It is just gorgeous. I'm going to show you how the kit comes. The kit is in my Etsy shop. It is very popular, and I'll show you exactly what you get in it. This is a tropical version of it right here. It's a tropical rainbow Russian spiral. So this consists of, you know, just tropical color Preciosa crystals that I picked out with the gold lined, silver gold lined sea beads and the toggle clasp. Now you get to choose what clasp you want when you order it. Most people choose this magnetic clasp right here. It's actually a very strong clasp, as you can see. And I just wanted to show you real quickly some other color combinations I have. This has been summer, very popular for the spring so far, and I'm guessing for the summer also coming up. Just want to show you some other color combinations I have here that I did. They're not for sale, they're not kits, but here you are. This has little pearls on it. Very pretty. This is different shades of blue on here. And here we go, another color combination. You can make any color combination you want. I do recommend, if you haven't made a Russian spiral yet, I do recommend that you use, you know, maybe some old crystals you have laying around, or even, you know, glass beads, even acrylic if you want to practice first. And here's another color combination right here. So, and here's another color combination, another tropical color, little slightly different in the bicone beads, or 4mm bicone beads, 11 OC beads. So, and you'll get all that in the kit. And also, and some people just order the bracelet if they don't make jewelry. They just order the bracelets. Sell a ton of these also, and just the bracelets. And also, what you can do with these, since it has the magnetic clasp, you can also, you know, if they match, of course, you can combine it, make a little choker. This can be your focal because it's a beautiful clasp right there. And then you can, you know, add another one on, make it, come on, make it a longer necklace. So there you go, just a little tip there. And so I'm going to show you now what you get in the kit, and this is the main kit. I do have the tropical kit here also. Now this tropical kit also comes in silver, so it'd be the same color bicone Preciosa beads, but you will get the silver sea beads with a silver clasp. Now you can choose either this pretty magnetic clasp, you get a choice, or you can get a silver toggle clasp with this one. And of course with this you're gonna choose the gold toggle clasp, and I also have a magnetic clasp in gold that you can get with that. So okay, I think that's all I wanted to show you with this. I'll leave that off to the side here. See that? And I'll show you how the kit comes. What price is the kit? Let me see. I'll check here on my phone. Can't remember how much it costs. I think it's 50 something, but I always usually run a 20% off sale. Well, bear with me here. I'll go in my Etsy shop here and just check it out. 1 second. Let's see what I got here. Where's my stuff? Let me find the kit. Never goes right when you want it to go right. Are you the kit? I just don't want to click on it. Okay. So here's the kit in silver. So they are priced, as you can see right there. They're priced at $59, and with 20% off, you're going to get it at $47.20, including tax. And it's going to show you everything right there. That's the silver one, which is gorgeous. So they're $59 for the kits. You can go in there and take a look for yourself. Let's see. And this is how it comes. Comes in a pretty organza bag like this. Okay. And you're gonna get my cute little business card here. You're gonna get that. You're gonna get enough 11 OCBs. Everything is, you know, pretty much the highest quality you can get. These are from Fire Mountain. Okay, Fire Mountain, you know, the bead store. The Fire Mountain Gems, is it called? I can't remember. But these are 11O CBs, and there's way more than enough here to make a bracelet. I mean, you'll probably have quite a bit left over. I'm very generous in what I, you know, put in my kits. Here is the thread that you get. Now the thread I use is Wildfire 20 mil. Okay, that's the thread I use for this kit. And there's about 4 arm lengths of thread here. It's way more than enough to make a bracelet. I mean, you'll probably, with everything you get here, you'll probably have enough left over to make a bracelet and maybe a pair of earrings or something. Okay, so you get that. And here is the beautiful clasp that you get, that everybody wants. You know, or you can get this one. Okay, and then I always give a free gift. These are Precosa crystals in here. As a free gift, excuse me. You will get instructions, which I'll go over in a minute. And then here is your Russian spiral Precosa beads. Right here. For your rainbow Russian spiral. Here's what you get. I can't lay them all out. It'll go out of frame. I'll give you an idea. So it's kind of like an ombre effect. I start with the light. I'll go into a light blue, darker blue, then a greenish blue, then greens. So that's how it goes. Let's see if I can get these out here so you can see something. Okay, and then it goes into your oranges here and your fuchsia pink, lighter pink. There you go, and your purples. Okay, you get 18 different color Precosa crystals in the kit. And here is the instructions. The instructions are just on this paper to keep things simple. And basically it's going to tell you to go on the YouTube channel. It's going to tell you where to go and look for it. You're free to, you know, go on it here. Excuse me, my allergies are awful. So you can go into the Beaded Jewel on YouTube, look for the Rainbow Russian Spiral tutorial. And what you get here, it's telling you get the bags of crystals are numbered in color sequence. Use 6 of each color at a time. And you get 12 colors, 12 of each color. So you're going to use 6 at a time, which is what you use for each row here. Okay, so here's 6 of the light, 6 of the blue, and then when you run out, you'll go back to the light, the blue, again. Okay, and so basically the bags of crystals are numbered, as I just said, in color sequence. Use 6 at a time, which will be 2 rows or rounds. So to make the Russian spiral, each round, which I'll show you in a new upcoming video, is 3 crystals at a time. So you'll use 3 of these to make 1 round. But in this we do 2 rounds of each color, so then your next round will be 3 more of these. Okay, and that's your first round. Then you go into the next color and do the same thing. Okay, and then number 3 here is how to make the clasp. Okay, which is another video on my YouTube channel. So, and remember, the clasp will add about 1 inch to the bracelet, and it tells you the next step, where to go to look for it. It'll say clasp for the Russian spiral, which is a different video, because otherwise it would be too long. And again, I highly suggest, if you've not made this spiral, to practice with, you know, old beads first. And number 6, please do not hesitate to contact us, and we mean that. You know, if any questions at all, even simple questions, complex questions, whatever, we usually respond right away. And that's our email there, where you can send your questions. So this is everything you get in the kits. You get all these beautiful colors, which you'll have more than enough to make your any size bracelet you need. What else was I gonna say? And yeah, definitely, if you have not made this bracelet, definitely go ahead and practice with some beads that you have laying around. You can use any size 4mm beads. You can use fire polish beads, you know, rondelles. 4mm seems to look, you know, the best, okay, when you're making it. And I think that's it. Again, the kit is $59, and you know, that includes the YouTube tutorial, which takes time to make. I'm not great at talking and doing tutorials, as you probably well know if you've seen any of them, but I do get a lot of compliments on my Russian spiral tutorials. And then there is also another popular tutorial I have, which is let me see if I can find the right one. Here it is, the flat spiral here. So don't forget to go on and take a look, see how to make that. It's beautiful, all with Precosa crystals. Quick and easy to make. And again, I recommend the wildfire with this. I tried other threads. This is a tube here. It forms into a tube, and as you can see, I'm pressing on it. You don't see it caving in. And when I use, you know, like Fireline or something like that, it doesn't hold the tube together. So this particular wildfire 20mm thread makes it nice and strong, keeps it from collapsing. And I don't have any issues with the bicone beads cutting the thread at all. So just want to let you know, if you wanted to go and get yourself or someone you know that likes to make jewelry, to get a pretty kit. And don't forget the tropical one too. Tropical one is in there, and I'll show you what beads you get in the tropical kit. Is that gorgeous? They're just gorgeous. I have a tropical kit here. The beads are just tropical colors, and I can show you that. I'll just get this out of the way. I'll put that back when I'm done, and I'll show you the tropical colors you get in the tropical kits. And you get the same colors in the silver tropical kit, again with just silver beads and a silver clasp. So here we go. Now in here you get 20 different colors, and then the other spiral kit you get 18 colors in there. So here we go. You see the colors are just a little bit different, just more tropical looking. They're not in a ombre effect like this. Okay, it doesn't go from light to dark, you know, 3 shades of pink, green, blue. These are just different colors that I picked and just placed randomly to make it look pretty, to make it look tropical. And you can play around, if you have colors at home, you can play around with your own colors, but you get an idea here. And all these pretty tropical colors. There you go. And that's it. I don't want to make this video too long, but there you go. So you can go, let's see what I got on here. It's kind of a new business card I made. So there it is, the Beaded Jewel YouTube and my Etsy shops. And I'm also on, I hope I put it on here. Where are you? Yeah, there it is. Go Imagine. I'm going to get these made up a little bigger because it's a little hard to read. The Beaded Jewel store.goimagine.com. Go Imagine is an all handmade jewelry site, anything handmade, I believe. So go check it out if you get a chance. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you get your kits and enjoy them and have fun, and happy beading. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.